most of the men, they don't want their wives to be friends with single women, just because a single woman, they are already failed marriages, you understand, so they don't want their wives to be friends with single women. Most of the times, guys, when your wife, she is a friend with a single woman, advices of single women, because they are negative about marriages. Those people, they are already bitter about marriages, so that's why men, they don't want their wives to be friends with single women, you understand. Some of the single women, they already learned their lesson, you understand, but some of the single women, they have got bad advices to married women, just because they want those married women to be same, you understand, to fail the marriages, just because she was already failed her marriage. Guys, some of the friends, they don't wish you well in your marriage, because they've already failed their marriages, and they want you to fail your marriages. That's why men, they don't want their wives to be friends with single women, just because single woman, she is already bitter about marriage, you understand, negative words only.